What's going on YouTube? It's your boy B-Dot back with another quick video. So I wanted to come back with this quick video to demonstrate the cutbuddy tracer pencils that they just sent me out. They sent me out the beige color pencils, as you guys seen in the last video. They sent me out 2 packs of them. Here's one, here's 2. So I took one of them out so I can do this demonstration for you guys. Now this is a new color that they came out with. The older ones were like a white color. And they showed up pretty good on your face. And as I said in the last video, they used one of my pictures or whatever from the last cutbuddy video I did about a year and some change ago. And they called it beige. So I thought it was kind of funny because I guess that's my skin tone is beige. So I don't know how this is going to show up on there, but I'm going to show you guys how it works. And they also sent me out the cutbuddy perfect beard haircut trim and shave guide. This is in the white label right here. And they also sent me out the plus. And this was like, it has a little bit more going on with it. As you guys can see, like a little, I don't know if that's a comb or a guide, or I haven't opened it up at all. But it has, you know, all the same sides as the first one, but it's just called the plus. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and use the speed tracer pencil on my face, and I'm going to come back with the Andis Slim Line Pros as always. Okay, so it is showing up. You guys can see that line right there. So it is showing up, although it is beige. And I'm a beige brother, I guess. So, but it's still showing up. You don't got to really press too hard. And again, once you get your lines all established with your cheek line from day one or whatever, you know what I'm saying? You can use the cutbuddy guides to actually put it on your face and use it like that. Or once you get good enough at it, you know where your lines are at and you know exactly where to go. And just don't go below that line and you should be good to go. So let me fine tune this line just a little bit. As you guys can see, I got it hovering above where the little lightness is. And over here, I'm doing the same thing if this light is on good. I'm hovering right above that light spot. It's a nice little skinny line, so it's not fat because it's brand new, of course. So I would advise just to keep it sharpened so you always get that thin line. And come back with the Slim Line Pros. To a lot of beginners out there, man, this is definitely a cool tool. Like I said before in the video a year ago, this is definitely a really good tool, man, if you're just starting out. You want to make sure that you have your beard line, your cheek line the right way up high. Start it off from there from jump. Get your neckline right, 2 finger above the Adam's apple. Make sure all of these are connected the right way, or you want to have a rounded in the back, or you want to keep it square, or however you want to do it. This cutbuddy will definitely help you out with that. Alright, so there you have it. A quick little line with the cutbuddy speed tracer pencil. I almost call it a speed racer pencil, but a speed tracer pencil. You still see the white line on there. I'm going to wipe that off in a minute. But just to give you guys a quick little look into it. The Andis Slim Line Pros, they cut pretty sharp anyway, so I don't have to really use a straight razor unless I really just want to. There's both sides. As you guys can see the white line over here as well. It just limits any mistake that you could possibly make on your beard. And I know that's a really big thing with a lot of guys, man. That's so important. You don't want to mess up your cheek line, because once you lower it, you got to wait for about 3 or 4 weeks for it to grow back. Now you got some lighter than the other spots, and it's just a bad look overall, man. So, you know, we on this channel, man, we beat out as alpha. You guys are alpha. We want to always look good at all times, man. So just get your beard right from day one, from jump. Use something like a Cut Buddy pencil, and you should be good to go just to get those lines the right way. And if you have to, you can use the Cut Buddy stencil as well. And like I say, put your comments down below, and I'll definitely get this out to 2 lucky winners, man, because I want to give you guys an opportunity to use this tool and see if you guys like it. And what I'll do is I'll also put one of these pencils in each giveaway. So you guys will get a stencil tool and you'll get the pencil. So I will put all the links down below to the Cut Buddy so you guys can go check it out, man. And as always, thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holler back. Peace.